Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to use the delete statement in SQL. So I'm going to apply a few examples and how it works. So first of all I just type here select from students and I run my query, and in the result here you can see I have this table. It has like 3 rows. So now I want to delete one of the rows, for example 2b, student ID 2b. So I just come here, clean this, I just write here delete from students. So here after from I have to write the name of the table. So I have to specify here where the student ID equal to 2b. Here you can see 2b, this one is if, so I want to remove this row. So I just run my query and here, so now again I just go back and run my query, select from students and run the query. Here you can see the result. I have just 2a and 2c and I don't have the 2b here. So one thing now I want to mention, that if you want to remove the whole table at once, so you just come here and type here delete from students and run the query. So now I run my query, we can see that select from students and you can see here I don't have any row here, so I have deleted my entire rows. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you so much.